C is a statically typed procedural programming language that powers many of the technologies we use daily. From operating system kernels like Windows, Linux, and macOS to databases like MS SQL and even interpreters for languages like Python. Created in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs, C was originally developed to build the UNIX operating system. Since then, it has influenced countless programming languages like C++, Java, JavaScript, and PHP, earning the title of the mother of all languages. C compiles directly to machine code, making it fast and efficient. However, it's platform-dependent, meaning the executable is tailored to run on a specific operating system. C offers low-level control over memory and hardware. But that comes with responsibility. There's no garbage collector, so you'll need to manage memory yourself. To get started with C, you'll need a compiler like GCC. Write your code in a file with a bytec extension, include any necessary libraries, and start with a main function. This is where your program begins executing. C returns an integer type, with 0 indicating success. While C has a few basic types, it doesn't have a dedicated string type. Instead, strings are arrays of characters terminated by a null character. You can create strings using pointers, and remember to free the memory when you're done to prevent memory leaks. Though C is procedural and doesn't support object-oriented programming, you can still create complex data types using structs. Once your code is ready, compile it into machine instructions for your OS, and you're good to go. That's C programming in a nutshell. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.